Albuquerque Evaporative Cooler blowing warm air? Compare airflow at the vent first. Weak air and strong warm air point to different checks before anyone climbs onto a roof. Move older adults, young children, and anyone with heat symptoms to a cooler safe place. Confusion, fainting, chest pain, or severe heat illness needs emergency help. Albuquerque requires working cooling in rental homes, and renters can report an uncorrected cooling violation through 311. From indoors, confirm the thermostat or wall switches in cooling mode, open the windows or ducts the system normally uses, and compare several vents. Do not open rooftop equipment, touch wet wiring, or keep resetting a breaker. Ask a technician to check the pump, pan, float, water line, distributor, pads, belt, motor, and fan. Federal Energy Guidance notes that evaporation leaves mineral scale on pads, which can restrict airflow and reduce cooler performance. Albuquerque's water conservation strategy specifically calls out evaporative cooler efficiency, including limiting continuous bleed-off and dump tray waste. Ask the technician to document water flow, leaks, bleed settings, and pad condition instead of simply increasing water use. For eligible Albuquerque and Bernalillo County residents age 60 or older, the city's Home Services program lists seasonal evaporative cooler startup and shutdown assistance. Availability changes by season, so verify the current application status before relying on it. To locate an evaporative cooler service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.